In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Razer software for headset. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to hover over PC up top, and then down here, if you scroll down, it's going to say software. You want to click on software here, and then you want to click on all software under Explore. Now, if you actually want to download the official software for your Razer headset, you're looking for this 7.1 surround sound, so you want to click on this. And then here, as you can see, this is the basically 7.1 surround sound. It says the purchase of your Razer headset comes with 7.1 surround sound software. Now here, if you scroll down, you can see it says it's included with these Razer headsets, and these are basically all the headsets this is included in. So if you have any of these, you can just go and click on download now over here. And then when you do that, it's going to download to your computer. You can open this up. And then when you open it up, you'll just be able to install it onto your computer. So in a few seconds, you'll be able to see a pop-up over here. There we go, Razer gaming software. And then everything is basically going to start getting things ready. And then you'll be able to get your software connected to your headset inside the app. And that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.